Oh, hey, folks, it's been a while. But I'm back out here on a beautiful day. It's not too hot. Bugs are down. Um, yeah, pretty nice. I figured I'd get it in. This is called Graham Creek Nature Preserve, and it's run by a local municipality. And there's a number of activities that happen here. There's frisbee golf. It's a big frisbee golf course. There's an archery range, and down here where I'm about to take you is where you can launch your kayaks or canoes. That looks pretty sweet. Anyhow, it's good to be out. So yeah, I haven't really been out all that much lately. It's not, well, I have been out, but I've just been unable to film stuff. I had a couple of, early this spring, a friend and I hiked sections of the Perdido River Trail. We were out there for 2 nights. I'm going strong on some video there, but on the second day I was crossing a particularly sketchy creek crossing on a rather knobby log, and the device I was filming with took a dip in the water. I destroyed that whole story. And not too long ago, we were at Florida Caverns, ended up staying in there. We had a mission to go out snorkeling at various springs, and my man got sick on the second day there, and kind of destroyed a lot of those activities. We did end up, however, making it to Blue Springs, which was awesome. I had a waterproof camera that quickly ran out of batteries, and so I didn't get to get any cool underwater shots. I definitely want to put that up for you. Anyway, here's the launching point. We're going to take a path that's going to take us up on the other side here at some point. So, here we go. Another reason I want to get out here is that got this new drone I've been messing with. And out here, not many people come to, and figure I can get some good flight footage and stuff. Get up over these trees. But when I did that, I crashed my drone. Busted it up pretty good. So, that kind of sucks. But anyway. I'm not going to let it ruin my time. The last time I was here, there wasn't this much water to cross. Well, I can get across on these root balls here. I managed to get away with it, but not getting away. Oh, getting my feet wet. Yeah. Nice slick. Nice slick. Right around this tree. Here. Here. That looks a little hairy. Here. There we go, foot in the water. And guess I'm just looking for my shallowest options here. These boots should be pretty well waterproof, which I'll tell you right now, they're not. Anyway, so I got wet feet. Yeah, she's pretty boggy. Got another one of these. Another big old puddle. But I'm pretty sure I did this last time too. Just bushwhack through here. Try to make it through to the dry side. Alabama jungle. Spider web. So the trail gets a little wider and drier as you leave up from the river. I was just at the place across the river from where the canoe, where the boat dock was. And anyway, coming up here, it's kind of interesting. And there's a, looks like some sort of training field for something. Should I want to get up there? The trails are weirdly marked with these arrows. I've been on the red trail. Well, it's a combination of the red trail and the orange trail, which is a pitcher plant pitcher plant lane. Wasn't many pitcher plants to speak of there. This is all still pretty small, but when I first got here, oh, there's another marker down there. Down there. But then there's nothing. So last time I walked that whole tree line. And somewhere up there, we get into the trees again. So and that appears to be some sort of climbing obstacle thing. See the ropes on the boarded side and the ladders on the other. Yeah, but they do some sort of quasi-military training or something here. Got American beautyberry coming in strong. Berries are starting to droop those branches. Oh, so here we go. This is where we get back into the woods. Real pretty area back here. See what I mean? Nice and open. Oaks and pines. Very uncluttered forest floor. It's a great camp spot. So I'm going to sit here for a minute and chill and enjoy all the sounds and watch the butterflies and any other critters that happen to come by. Boy, that sucks about my drone though. I mean, it wasn't the most expensive thing and it wasn't cheap either. But I think there's some sort of replacement package, kind of like an insurance that I can buy so I could have it fixed or replaced or something. But yeah, it was the first time I flew it out of beginner mode, took it up into some trees and lost sight of it. Started getting warnings, proximity warnings I guess, and I didn't know where it was, and suddenly it came flying down through the trees and hit the ground. Busted a couple pieces, and not something that I could fix. Hopefully I got a good crash video out of it. Well, I'm back here at that Wet Feet Creek crossing. There it goes. Don't fall. God damn it. Water bottle's filling up. Oh, I'm gonna drink too. Still filling? Yeah. Still filling. Son of a bitch. Come here. Alrighty. That was fun. we go. Came off that trail soaking wet. All in all, enjoyable hike. Wish I hadn't destroyed my drone, but it's just something to do next time, right? Not destroy the drone. Anyway, signing off here. Thanks for watching. Click the like button. I like YouTube stuff. Alright, folks. Go out and do something. Nate out.